Hi guys, let's take a short look together at Adobe's amazing artificial intelligence feature, which is called Firefly, in the new beta version of Photoshop. Last weekend I had a pretty nice photo shooting with the beautiful Annika in a kitchen, and let's see if we can modify something in this picture with the new AI functionality. So let's click on the selection tool and select a little area here at the wall, click on generative filling, and let's say we want to have a white mural art here at the wall. Let's see what the AI will generate in this area for us, and it looks like it goes pretty fast, maybe 10 till 15 seconds at all. And here it is. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this. It generates 3 different pictures. Incredible. Wow. Okay, let's take this one and see if we can do something more. Let's select here the ugly coffee machine in the background, and let's say we want to replace it with some white flowers here. I think this one is quite more complex for the AI because we have 3 different backgrounds here. We have a stone wall, we have a rusty table, we have a white curtain. But look at this. Look at this. So again, we have here a perfect generated flower in this area. So the light comes from the left side here. The shadow is here on the right side. It fits on the table. It has the same sharpness level at the original flower here in this picture. So I can't see any difference here. Look at this. This is so amazing. So what do you think about AI? Do you use it? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Please write it down into the comments, and see you next time. Bye bye.